In today's video, I want to show you this cool new tool in Figma where you can create these fun mouse tracker animations that you can embed in your Framer website. So starting off in Figma, I'm just going to draw out a frame, and I'm going to have my frame set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. And I'm going to change the background color to yellow, but you can set this to any color that you want. And now we're going to draw our eyes, so I'm going to select the rectangle tool, draw out a square while holding shift, and we can hover over this little anchor point here to adjust the radius. And I'm going to change the color to white. Now we can copy and paste that and shrink that duplicate down to form our pupil, which is going to be black. Cool. So now select both your pupil and your eye while holding shift, and if you hold Alt on the keyboard, we can now drag it out to create a duplicate. And I'm just going to make sure my eyes are now centered in my artboard, so there. And final step is I'm going to give it a mouth. So I'm going to select the ellipse tool, just draw out a little circle down here, which I'm going to color black. Cool. So we now have our image. So what we want to do is select our frame, and we're going to duplicate this 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to make sure it's in this square arrangement. So this is so that when we create our animation later, it's got these different coordinates it can refer to create the different effect. So now we've got our 4 frames, we can now play around with the different adjustments that we want to make. So basically, the top left is what our animation is going to look like when we hover our mouse to the top left of our page. And so the same goes with the other 4 frames. So starting in the top left, first thing I want to do is adjust the eyes so they're going to be looking up. And maybe we want to adjust the mouth as well, so it could be a little bit more surprised. And so for this one, again, I'm going to adjust the eyes so they're looking to the top right. And again, we might adjust the mouth just a little bit. Bottom left, so we'll have the eyes looking down. And maybe he is smiling in this one, so we'll give him a little smile. And then the same goes with our bottom left. Oh. So we just want to have them selected both at the same time. Drag them down, and let's give him a little smile. And we might want to adjust one more thing. So let's say this eye is just going to be a little bit squinty. And so this is why I drew it out as a rectangle and rounded it off, so we can create this this squashed rectangle, let's call it, that's still a little bit rounded. So I've got something like this. So now we have our 4 frames. We are going to drag a selection over all of our frames and go down to our Actions button and go across to Plugins and Widgets. And you just want to search up this plugin here that is called Shapelax. So we're going to open that up, and what that is going to do is basically create this animation for us. So you can see when we move our mouse around, it's going to adjust to match those designs that we just created. So this is looking really cool, and we can adjust some of these sliders down here so you can make it more smooth. So it's a bit smoother between the animations, so it's a little bit slower. I like to have this a little bit less. And then for spring, so that's kind of how springy the transitions are. So this is quite bouncy at the moment. So I'm going to have that set to around, or kind of in this midpoint here. So let's say 0.9. So we've got this nice and smooth animation. And so once you're happy, we're going to create the link, which we can embed in Figma by clicking this button here. And we're going to publish this, and that's going to create a copy on Shapelax's server. And you can either copy the embedded code if you want to embed this in an iframe. But for Figma, I'm going to copy this link here. So just press copy. And so in Figma, I have created a page, and I've made sure the page is the same dimensions as our design, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. And we want to go up to insert, and then basically you can search in the top here, and we're going to search embed and drag in this component here. Now right click, and we're going to add a stack to our embedded component. And drag this to the center, and we're going to change the dimensions of our stack to be 100% width and 1080 pixels high. And just making sure that stack is at the top of our page. Now select your embed component, and we're going to change the width to fill and the height to fill. Now scroll down, and next to URL, we can now paste in that link that we copied, and that should load up our animation. So here it is. And so now if we press play, we now have this live mouse tracking animation based off our Figma designs. So how cool is that? So definitely have a play with this one. This is a super fun and easy effect, and very cool to make your website more interactive and engaging for your customers. Thanks for watching.